Just getting the sidewalks and driveway shoveled out before we head into work, and kids go back to school tomorrow. It's a heavy snowstorm. The snow's heavy, a little bit of slush and ice at the base, which makes it a little bit harder. Take a few breaks, stretch out a little bit. Hopefully we don't injure any muscles today. Yesterday it came down pretty quickly. You'd shovel, you'd turn around, and you'd be like, wow, there's 2 inches there again to shovel again. I'd say we got maybe 1.5 feet here in Pittsfield. In the middle of March, I remember it once or twice. I've lived in Berkshire County my entire life, so once or twice before. But this one, after setting the clocks ahead this past weekend, we were all ready for springtime. This is not what we wanted to do in the middle of March, but it's New England. We'll deal with it. Hopefully the ski areas get a few more days of good skiing in.
And this is the third time, probably within 24 hours, I've used my snowblower with all this snow. Biggest concern today is just take my time, don't rush.
I've been living here for 60 years, and I'm 89 years old, and I'm still going strong. I don't smoke or drink. I just shovel snow, and so it's a good exercise for me.
It snowed like a bejesus for 24 hours. I'm over here helping our neighbor who doesn't really need any help, but I'm over here anyways. And we just help each other out and get this cleaned up.